Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at Solana. I do want to say that I'm not a financial advisor and you should do your own research before investing money into crypto. With that being said, I'm also giving a shout out to the Telegram chat that I have. You should check out the link in the description and go and join the chat because we're sharing great projects, great low cap gems, and great tips for newcomers. So keep that in mind, and after watching this video, definitely check the chat out. Now we are on the weekly chart and I'm going to remove all the drawings, which I did already. And we can see that we're hugging the 20 EMA as support. And this is good for Solana. We want to bounce off the 20 EMA. But if we end up losing it, that means we are going further down. And where can we land? And as you can see, we have landed on these previous highs of this impulsive wave that we have created here over the past couple of months. And as you can see, every time we have a low in these bearish times right now, we tend to land on previous highs. Now, I'm going to give you a couple more buying opportunities because Solana has depreciated quite a bit in the last week or so. And I did state in the last video that we were overextended, and I think we're due to a little bit of a stronger correction for Solana. And that is kind of what is happening right now. So we're taking a nosedive with a relative strength index, as you can see. And I think we're going to be coming back down even more. So I wouldn't encourage you to put all your money into one buy order on Solana. I would rather advise to dollar cost average, but that is not a financial advice by no means. All right, so now on the MACD as well, we're making it this bearish cross right now, pretty much starting to nosedive, and I think we're into some bearish times on Solana, and it was really overpriced, it was really overextended, and I think now it is going to calm down a bit. Now, let's take a look at the daily chart and see what's going on over there. I'm going to give you some more buying opportunities, some more good buying in levels for Solana, because I know some of you are in Solana from the Telegram chat. Now, on the daily, it does seem like we're creating this kind of a double bottom over here, and which is a bullish continuation. So we might have a bit of a reversal in the next coming days, but even if that does end up happening, I think we're going to be suppressed by certain resistance levels that we have right now. So one over here right now is this $35.40. So if you're looking to sell, that would be one great area to do so. Also, looking at the EMAs, you can see that we made a bearish cross over here, and that was June 22nd, and this is kind of your sell or a sell signal, but people who are holding long-term and staking, I don't think this will affect you that much. You just have to buy back in more and you know, average your position in. So right now we're hugging the 27.8 support, and I did give you all these breakdown levels all the way to $24, and we have actually went down even lower than, yep, it was pretty much $20.50. So if you want to buy into Solana, then that would be a great price, because Bitcoin, it seems that like Bitcoin is following the Wyckoff accumulation pattern, and I don't know, we probably are being played by the whales. That is exactly what's happening, but they might think that if we know about the Wyckoff accumulation and the Wyckoff distribution, you know, they might play the Wyckoff accumulation to a certain point and then just, you know, go in an entirely different direction rather than what is shown on the Wyckoff accumulation. So that is something that they might do, you know, to screw with us. But I don't know, maybe I'm overcomplicating it, but I don't know. I'm just giving you this good buying area over here, $20.22. If you want to get in there, that would be great. Also, on the daily, take a look at the 200 EMA. That is a great place to put a buy order in, and at the moment, that is $23.74. So always keep that in mind. Now, another great buying area is $25.85. So pretty much, I'm going to give you a good buying area right now. I'm going to have this little rectangle over here. And once we do get into that area, then that will signal that we must get into this project, because that would mean that we are pretty much oversold. All right, taking a look at the RSI, yep, we have been making lower lows, and now we are making this V-shaped kind of recovery on the RSI. And on the daily chart, it does seem that, yeah, look at this. So this is a trend reversal pattern on the MACD because we are getting overextended on the MACD. We made the bearish cross, and now the signal line is pretty much far away from the moving average. And that always is an indicator of a trend reversal. So like I said, in the next coming days, couple of days, we might have a bit of a pump, you could say, but obviously it all depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin totally shits the bed, then yeah, we are going even lower. So yeah, keep that in mind. And let's jump into the 4-hourly chart. So I'm giving you this between $20.22 and $25.85. That is the golden area. You want to be buying more Solana coins because that is when it is going to be at a fire sale. Now let's go into the 4-hourly chart. Now on the 4-hourly, this is where I think we are having some bearish movements over here, guys. So as you can see, we are forming this cup and handle, this inverse cup and handle, and this is our handle. So this is a bearish structure, a bearish pattern. So usually what happens is we are in a downtrend, we have the cup and handle, and we tend to break down even lower. So I am going to give you these couple of buying areas, and you know, you should take a look at them. And always buy the dips, guys. That is what I suggest doing. And as you can see, we had this wedge structure over here, and we broke down from it. I did give you the breakdown level, and I did give you the breakout level to the upside, but obviously that didn't happen. We did have kind of a double top over here, which is a bearish pattern as well. And we lost the neckline pretty much, and we went down. And we went down, retested the neckline, and went back down even further. So, yep, that's how this can play out, guys. And the neckline of the cup would be, let's see, that would be $25.75. So what could end up happening is we come back down to $20, we go back up to test the 25 again, and we get down even lower. So yeah, that's something that can happen. And just bring your attention to this. It seems like Solana is going to break down even further, but I'm going to give you more buying opportunities. So you can do this yourself, guys. Pretty much, it's really easy. What you have to do is go to the daily or the weekly chart and see where the impulsive waves we have over here. So pretty much we have peaked out over here, and that would be $18.14. So guys, keep that in mind. Keep this price in mind. If Bitcoin comes back down to 25K, this is where you want to be buying in. So yeah, this video was purely to give you some TA update on Solana and to give you good buying opportunities. We're not covering fundamentals in these type of videos because a lot of people get confused by it. I have a separate playlist on my channel which is called Great Projects to check out, and that is where we cover the fundamentals. So yeah, keep that in mind. I do want to thank you for watching, guys. If you feel like supporting the channel, then there's a ID link to a wallet for USDT. If you would like to support the channel, don't feel like you have to, but it would be nice to help you get my dreams going. So thank you for watching, guys. I will catch you in the next one. Goodbye and good night.